live to discuss about the multiple examination as VIT counseling going on, MET exam is about to happen, SRM counseling going on, AEEE exam going on, and COMEDK already done today. So you can ask your question related to all these examination directly to me as you were asking in comment section. So here I will take all your question directly. So kindly join so that you can get the idea. So I will discuss about each and every exam and counseling. So just wait, let me share the link first. Then I will take your question. So all exam you can ask here. जितने ड्रोन्स आए थे उनको मार गिराया गया. Let me share the link first, then I will take your question. HV movie, namaste. The void, sir, can I get EC Chennai? I will take every question. Just wait, let me share the link, and more student will join. Then I will take your question. I'm not feeling well, but even after that, I'm live just to solve your doubt, as many of you are asking again and again. So here I will be taking your question for free. If you want the paid guidance for that also, you can join one to one. Just wait few minutes more, then I will start taking your question. You can download my app as well to get the instant notification about each and every counseling across India for free. Everyone share this with your friends. I will be live as long as possible to take all of your questions. Nothing to worry, as it is a high time that is very important time for your admission. So you should clear your doubt before taking admission in any college. Everyone like the session, then I will start this discussion. At least make 10 like. Hope you people are getting my voice and video properly. So let me take your question now. Comet K rank on 60 marks. First of all, I will start with Comet K discussion. As I have already uploaded the video, you can check here as well. So at 60, you are going to get around 37,000 rank. 35 to 37. Obviously, Dinkar Verma. Manipal main campus is very good. Here you can check the information regarding the marks versus rank plus 5 minus 5 marks you can do for a particular rank, because there was 3 shift of examination. I'm talking about Comet K. Soon I will discuss about VIT also. VIT haven't released the phase 1 result as of now. Now today was the date 10th. So as of now they should have announced the result, but अभी तक वो दिए नहीं है. पता नहीं कब रिजल्ट आएगा. ऐसे तो मॉर्निंग में ही आ जाता था, अभी तक आया नहीं है. श्रीकर एम पॉसिबल विथ बेटर काउंसलिंग, सीएससी चेन्नई. Everyone kindly like the session, make it at least 10-20 like. Kashyap, sir, at 45 rank can I get VIT AP CSE? VIT AP not possible, CSE. A specialization you will get. Kindly everyone download my app so that you will get all the PDF for free and also notification. All the notification about every counseling for free. So kindly download my app Exam Academy. I am providing you the link in the pin comment. If you want to discuss your question in detail in live, download the app now. Once I will see your name in my app, I will provide you the detailed answer. Hope you get my point. Once you download my app, you can search for different courses. You will able to get the guidance. Uday Tyagi, can I get CSE in Manipal, Bangalore after scoring 100 marks in MET 90%? Yes, possible, Uday Tyagi. Counseling you need to do the counseling very carefully. For that I am here to guide you completely. This was about the comment के marks versus rank. You can check here. Soon I will show you for different exam as well. Kindly download my app. In the pin comment you are getting the link. Taran M. Category 1 I will provide you, bro. Parameter board percentile taken from same board or all students. All board, bro, all board. That is not justice with the student, because some board is having easy exam, some board having tough exam. So I don't know why they do this, but it is a private college, so they can do anything. Okay, let me take the registration of a student. As every day lots of people are coming, that's why I'm not live again and again. I found this time for all of you. Now I am not feeling better, even I have some fever. Even after that, I'm live just to take your question, as many people are asking. So the SRM JE 5740, which campus I can get? Yeah, all campus, bro. Depends which branch you will take. And one more thing, if you want the guidance, check the description. All the information is available. Coimbatore, Venkat Somini Man, रितेश सर 35 पे सीएससी किधर मिलेगा? मिलेगा, ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी है, बहुत सारे हैं. Charan has downloaded your app. Okay, can ask your question, Charan, now in more detail. Can you people please like the session? This is about the ComEdK top 5, top 10, top 20 college. Here you can check. I will provide the college wise RBC, BMS, MS Ramaiya. These all are good college. I will provide the rank required for different branches soon in the same channel. Top 5 college, top 20 college. अर्थ भाई CRL 4 लाख OBC कॉलेज. अरे जेई का ये लाइफ नहीं भाई, जेई वाला बच्चा से परेशान है. 4 लाख रैंक ला के सोचता है अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, कहाँ से मिलेगा ब्रो? ऊपर से जनरल ओबीसी हो तुम. रचना रवि 91, इज ए ट्रिपल ई होम स्टेट, इज देयर पॉसिबिलिटी इन कॉमेटोर स्लैब 4 पॉसिबल? रचना दे रवि विज बेटर काउंसलिंग. Just wait, I'm providing the detail for registration with my guidance. One student is there. Here you can check, or you can take the screenshot as well. The data is for ComEdK colleges. Soon I will discuss about other college also. At 499 only you can get my doubt session 1 to 1, because in live I can't ask about your economic condition, or you may not able to tell also that. And also what are your interest, what you want to be after 4 years, entrepreneur or job you want, or higher studies. So everything needs to be discussed, then only you can join the best college. Many of you have appeared in almost all these exams like SRM, JEE, Manipal, VIT. So what is what the confusing thing is whether to join this college or that college. So that confusion will be cleared once you have the doubt session with me. Accordingly, you can take further guidance also if required. So if you want, you can join that session also. Okay, let me start the discussion about other exam now. वीआईटी भोपाल और एपी टेक गेमिंग क्या पूछ रहे हो? प्रियांक नायक, डिपेंड्स ऑन क्या तुम्हारा रिक्वायरमेंट है. व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, आप उसको ज्वाइन करके कांटेक्ट करो. वीआईटी. Here is VIT retail. You can check for AP campus. This will be the cutoff for this year. Top seller. Sir, I have 1 lakh this year. Which college and branch I can get? Which exam you have 1 lakh 20,000 rank? Kindly mention the exam also, as I am doing the live for multiple exams. Lakshya Sharma depends. If you are capable of paying Manipal fee, then Manipal will be the better, even with if you compare it with Vellore. If you people are ready to pay 20 lakh 30 lakh to college, it is advisable to pay 500 or 1000 to any expert, not to me only. You can join me also or other, but there are lots of fraud person also available online. They will take the money on website, they will respond to you after 4 5 days. Up to that time your counseling will be done. So if you want my guidance, you can contact me through WhatsApp or through app also. You can join. Thereafter I will guide you what you should take, because regretting after paying 20 lakh to college is the worst thing that you can do. So it is advisable to be active before the admission. टेक गेमिंग, एपी और भोपाल दोनों ठीक है. लोकेशन जो ठीक लगे उधर जा सकते हो. बहुत जल्द प्लेसमेंट डिटेल आएगा इसी चैनल पे आपका. वीआईटी का हर एक कैंपस का, मणिपाल का भी, एसआरएम का भी, और मणि मणिपाल एसआरएम और कॉमेंट के का भी. तरुण यस वी स्लैब 4 फी. आराध्या, yeah, you will get VIT AP. I will provide you category 3 if you join my guidance program. आराध्या. रितेश भैया, अमृतांशु कुमार, बैड कॉलेज. नेक्स्ट टेक गेमिंग VIT में 90+. अरे भाई, सब 100+ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं VIT में, लेकिन रैंकिंग सिस्टम ही जब स्कैम है तो तुम क्या करोगे फिर? Bro, you will get VIT. Which college means? You should ask which branch and campus I will get. Which college means top CS learner. Yes, you will get Riyan Jaiswal. Both option available. You can check on the screen. Chennai cutoff. Lakshay Sharma, have you got the rank? Can I rank in VIT? Can I get VIT value CSC? Obviously, I don't know what you have filled. Up to which category you filled, Lakshay Sharma? And have you got the allotment? Today is the date. I don't know how, when they will provide the allotment. How to get your counseling? Check the description and contact me, Aradhya. I don't know how you people don't check the description. In YouTube video, there is a description thing. And most importantly, all the information are available in description. In not my only video, in others video also. हर्षित, बिल्कुल कैसेट का बता सकते हैं, कैसेट का दिखा भी सकते हैं ऑनलाइन स्क्रीन पे। क्या नहीं बता सकते वो बोलो ना। अक्रॉस इंडिया हर एक चीज़ का, हर एक एग्ज़ाम काउंसलिंग का इंफॉर्मेशन है जो कि इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड हो। अमित अंबाती श्रीनिवास, we need that fellow SRM mean everything possible. Ambati Srinivas, but counseling needs to be done carefully. If you want my guidance, you can contact me. For all three, I will guide you. And also, if you have any more exam like Manipal or BitSat, Josa, I will guide you regarding that also. Dude, okay, postponed हो गया, ठीक है, आगे मिलेगा तुमको डेट। Lakshya Sharma at 11 will get allotment. First preference VIT Vellore CSC in second VIT Chennai. Okay, first preference VIT Vellore CSC in second VIT CSC Chennai. Category 1 you have put both. Only two choice. Lakshya Sharma. बिल्कुल हो जाएगा टेक गेमिंग इम्प्रूवमेंट देके। लेकिन वो सब में जाके क्या करोगे, इंटीग्रेटेड में कोई जाता है। भोपाल, यू कैन चेक हियर। वेलोर मेन कैंपस, यू कैन चेक हियर द डेटा। यस सर, वीआईटी कब आएगा सीट लौटने? 11 बोल रहा है एक लड़का है, 11 बजे। आप लोग को मेल आया होगा। तेजस सर, अमृता अमरावती कैंपस ए ट्रिपल ई कट ऑफ। हम लाइव में ही रहेंगे अभी, आप चेक कर सकते हो। जब वीआईटी का अलॉटमेंट आएगा हम बता देंगे, वीडियो भी अपलोड हो जाएगा। तेजस सोनी 41 in VIT want CSC in either Vellore or Chennai campus. Possible Chennai. Counseling needs to be done carefully. Can you people just like the session? Please like the session and try to ask your question properly. Download the app, that is Exam Academy. In the pin comment you have the link so that you will be updated about each admission process, everything across India. Sir, I got ST category rank 836 in JEE mains and rank 2. Obviously, you will go with NIT, Mayank. You are ST. Why you are joining private college? VIT, dude, VIT. पर नाम चेंज कर लो, नहीं तो आगे से एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं लेंगे। डिजिट डोज IT 18 के रैंक CSC पॉसिबल। आई डोंट नो हाउ यू हैव डन द चॉइस फिलिंग। हाँ, चॉइस जो दिए हो वो चेन्नई का या वेलोर का, अच्छे से लिखो ना भाई। लक्ष्य शर्मा, वाई यू आर राइटिंग इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चन? And then 5 more choices. 5 more choices where? Chennai or Vellore? If you have put Vellore, I don't think you will get. And who guided you for the counseling process? Tell me that also. How easy it is. In what level I get CSC core and CSC in VIT Velour. Click on the screen, bro. That's what I am showing you. And for all of you, because all the students who joined this live session, I know you are going to pay 20 lakh, 15 lakh, or at least 10 lakh to the college. So if you are going to pay too much high amount, it is advisable to get the guidance one in live. You can't do your counseling in live. I don't know your personal economic condition, what you will do after 4 years, what is your parents expectation. So after one-to-one guidance only it is possible. So at least you can pay 499 and get my one down doubt session, in which you can ask all about all counseling and admission process one-to-one to me. So if you want, you can join that. Here is the detail. You can check. You can have a professional session with me that is expert in the counseling field. If you want, just download the app. Link is available in the pin comment and try to get it. If you want, then only, otherwise it's your choice. Because even after telling so many times, lots of people will do the mistake like Lakshya Sharma, most probably. Top CS learner, no. Gaming with Vanu, can I get CS license in category 2 VIT Valor? Obviously, I don't know which space license you have put, but it is possible if you have done the correct counseling. Lakshya Sharma, where you are? Tell me whatever I ask you. टू दिला देंगे रियान जायसवाल, काउंसलिंग लोगे उसके बाद टू तुमको कंफर्म मिल जाएगा. रमीश सही सर, ट्रिपल ए में इतना रैंक क्या होगी? 4000 के आसपास होगा रैंक. डिपेंड करता है होम स्टेट अदर स्टेट हो क्या तुम्हारा ब्रांच रिक्वायरमेंट है. रमीश सईद, यशवंत अमरावती कैंपस, ट्रिपल ई कट ऑफ रैंक प्लीज सर. वेट sir, post video already uploaded, just watcher. Today's already uploaded in the short section, you can go and check the detail. Top CS learner, you will get all branch, depends on up to which category you want. Eternal sports, MET counseling depends on both board score as well as the MET score, so kindly provide your board score as well before asking the question. At least expected board score if your result is not out yet. Okay. Okay, VIT done. SRM, some student is there, you can check for SRM. Thereafter I will go for AEEE and then for Manipal. SRM you can check here. If you have filled according to this, you will get the seat. Eternal Sport, try to join both the comment in same comment. Otherwise I don't know earlier what you asked, as there are lots of question coming, you can check here. So I can't remember your earlier question. रितेश कौन भैया, वैसे के रैंक में एपी में सी एस्पिरेशन बिल्कुल मिल जाएगा, काउंसलिंग सही से करना होगा. एनी डे वेलोर CSE ब्रो, specialization. Lakshya Sharma, who did your counseling, Lakshya? I am hoping that you get any seat, otherwise once you not get any seat because of your mistake in counseling, you will forced to take category 4 and 5. Do you know the VIT policy? In phase 1 category 1 2 3 seat, if it is not taken, or if student will not pay the seat after getting the allotment, that seat will be converted to 4 5 category and you will get only 4 5 category in phase 2. I don't think you know this thing. So that's why I always told in my video, study is different thing, counseling is different thing. You can be a topper in your entrance exam, but counseling You may do the silly mistake and you lose the deserving college. Okay, I did it. Maybe your preparation is high this time. Okay, SRM done. Now I am going for different. Let me go for MET first. Then I will go for AEEE. 4 means board plus MET score divided by 2. Board means PCME. Out of 400, whatever is your score plus MET score divided by 2, that is your score. Based on that score, you will get the rank. Sakshi, AIT 1.84 rank CSE specialized in Bhopal. Not possible. Bro, even with 120 will not get the CS in main campus with 90% board eternal sports. Easy edit. Take my guidance and get the guidance. I will not be live again and again. I think you are a smart subscriber. You want to get all the answer in the live stream itself, right? But no live stream will help you for selecting the best college. In 5 minutes, you will get the VIT result so that you can get the seat and ask me about the further process. अरे भाई टैग गेमिंग वो अच्छा कोर्स नहीं, क्यों लेना है तुमको, मत पूछो वो सब, बर्बाद करना है क्या टाइम अपना। सर वीआईटी वेलोर में जो डायरेक्ट एडमिशन, भाई एक ही चीज़ बार बार पूछ रहा है। आर्यन अदीब राहुल, कैन आई गेट सी एस आई एम एल इन वीआईटी एपी? यस ब्रो, यू विल गेट कैटेगरी 4, you have to pay. No, GL not possible. Ninja XD 65%, 72 एमटी में मुश्किल है, लास्ट राउंड तक मिल जाएगा सही से काउंसलिंग करोगे तो। निंजा XD कुछ प्लान नहीं है, तुमको नहीं मिल रहा है इधर उधर तो जा रहे हो उसमें टैग गेमिंग, मेरे को नहीं पता। आर्यन अदीब, I will do the counseling bro, text me on WhatsApp, pay the guidance fee in the description, details are available. Yes पक्का अथवा। जो लोग भी व्हाट्सएप पे आ रहे हो मेरा नंबर लेके, ये जान लो बिना पेमेंट का कोई भी गाइडेंस नहीं होने वाला है। तो आप लोग को अगर कंप्लीट गाइडेंस चाहिए तो गाइडेंस चाहिए तभी कांटेक्ट करो, अदरवाइज यहाँ लाइव में पूछो। यशवंत अमृता, it will cut off rank soon bro, soon. Okay, here is Manipal rank based on the board score. Om Kumar 100 marks in Comet K rank 5.5 thousand. 2000 I did it. सर आ गया सीट अलॉटमेंट, देखो आया है तो चेक करो। लक्ष्य शर्मा, क्या मिला है बताइए। 2000 I did it, already told you. Check the description also. I don't know how you are the. और ख़राब मार्क्स आया है ना। निंजा XD। ओम कुमार मेरी रैंक 16 आई, 16 के VIT में मैं भरूँ काउंसलिंग। भाई हो भी गया काउंसलिंग, अब क्या करोगे तुम ओम कुमार फेज़ 1 का। यस सो BTech at CSC category 2, how much was your rank? Yes so is allotment done? Kindly comment down if you have got the seat. पहले वो सुबह 9 बजे ही दे देते थे, आज 11 बजे रात को दे रहे हैं। बोले तो मिलेगा लास्ट टाइम, तो काउंसलिंग ठीक से करना होगा। निंजा XD अब क्या चाहिए। Ask in English bro. I did it. Hi sir, I got CSC data science category 418K. Very good. Seat done. Okay, let me make the video public. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो जल्दी से पूछो, हम लाइव इन करके जाएंगे। लो जो पेड गाइडेंस में उनका डाउट सॉल्व करने, क्योंकि वो लोग पेड में है, सीट मिलने के बाद थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है, लूँ क्या नहीं लूँ सर। सबको रात में ही क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है। आप लोग का जो भी क्वेश्चन है जल्दी से पूछो। यस 100% इन XD। सर आई गॉट 1,08,000। Category 2 I will provide you, Siva Kumar. Join my guidance. BTech at CSC Category 2 Chennai 10,000. Okay. That's what I predicted bro. Up to 8,000 I say for the CSC. category 1 in Chennai, isn't it? In my video also, and here also you get the same. Yes, take up to 6,000 category 1 and up to 19,000 category 2. So your rank was 12,000, you got category 2. So my prediction is 100% correct. Other way of asking where I am. I am in Bangalore, bro. I see it. Because Chaudhary sir, VIT rank tha iske can I get it? Yes, possible. Check on the screen. Up to 28K you can get it. Because kindly ask your question fast, and if you have the doubt whether to join VIT or not, take my doubt session. In the description, all the links are available. So now VIT set allotment biotechnology for letter to me. My rank is good. SM 1981. अनुभव खा रहे और करो काउंसलिंग खुद से तो मिल जाएगा. कितना कैटेगरी भरे थे अनुभव? VIT allotment done now. So ask your question. Nishan Pandey. You will get category 3 in Chennai with better counseling process. Vikas Chaudhary, I don't know what is your rank. Tell me. 23,000. Possible, I think. What happens is in phase 1, whatever seat will be not taken for Vellore I am talking about, all those seats will be converted to category 4 5. Means all the seat that will be not taken in category 1 2 3 because of non-payment of the student even after getting the seat, first student will not get the seat and that seat will be converted to category 4 5 so that they can generate more money. This is the rule of VIT. So in second phase you will not get the category 1 2 3 in Vellore CSC particularly because that are very much demandable, so they increase the fee to category 4 5. They will add all those seats whatever will be not taken. Yes, 100% Shiv Kumar. The introvert, what you will do? Tomorrow is the last exam. I told you yes, Shiv Kumar. How many time I should say? Any more question? VIT is done. Many students are saying I am not satisfied with the seat. Nothing can happen. VIT is very critical and unique type of counseling. Once you make mistake, no one can. Shiva Kumar, check the description and contact me on WhatsApp. Here I will not reveal the price. Depends on your requirement. With my guidance, you will get high GDs. Pankaj Jain 11. What can I get? Sir 11K. Which exam you are asking? Yes, I will provide Divyam 100%. How much rank and what category and branch you have got campus? Kindly comment down. All those students who got the VIT allotment is done now. So kindly take your allotment and comment down. Pankaj Jain already counseling done. What you are asking now? Divyam, 70 की ranking. 100% I will provide you. Join with my guidance. Divyam. अनुभव खारे सर CSC कैटेगरी 1-2 भरा था CSC कैटेगरी 1 वेलोर एट 7K किससे पूछ के भरा था? तू मतलब भरने के लिए तैयार था, तो मतलब 3 लाख तैयार है देने के लिए, लेकिन 1000-2000 दे के गाइडेंस नहीं लेना है ना? अब भुगतो 7,000 रंग गया। अब जाओगे फेज 2 में, मिलेगा 4-5। आराम से दोगे तुम। 4 लाख, 4.5 लाख, 5 लाख दोगे 3 लाख की जगह। अनुभव खारे 2 लाख 2,000 बचाने के चक्कर में 2 लाख पर ईयर ज़्यादा लगेगा। देते रहो। दानिश होके क्या पूछ रहे, नहीं पता है मेरे को। क्वेश्चन इज नॉट क्लियर ब्रो। अनुभव खारे, अब तुमको अच्छे से समझ आ रहा होगा ब्रो क्या होता है एक्सपर्ट काउंसलिंग और क्या होता है खुद से करने का। पढ़े तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया, 7,000 रैंक लाए हो, बट पढ़ाई यहाँ काम नहीं करता। सर 17,000 रैंक, आई नॉट गेट एनी सीट, कैन आई एबल टू अप्लाई? Yes, you will apply, and because of your mistake you haven't got the seat, and many students are there. Lots of message will come on my WhatsApp, please guide me for phase 2. So it is best join my guidance. If you haven't got any seat, join my guidance so that you will get the best in the second phase of the counseling. All those students who haven't got any seat, you are eligible for second phase, but you have to do the counseling carefully. Otherwise, if you do mistake again, you will miss the chance to join VIT. Hope you are getting my point clearly. इसी 45 के 2-3 में हो रहा है। मैटर करेगा ना? क्या पूछते हो भाई, मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा। मैटर करेगा ना, क्या होता है मैटर करेगा? हाँ? हाँ, सोनीपत 235 मिल जाएगा। पॉसिबल कार्तिक शेरावत। ऑल द स्टूडेंट हु आर इन फेज 2 and phase 3, I will just advise you to take the guidance of mine or any other expert also, but lots of people are fraud online. They are doing just take the payment on Google Pay, means Google form or website, and they will not respond to you for 1-2 days, and they will do Google Meet and you will not able to ask. But for me, in my case, you will be connected one-to-one to me so that you can ask me on phone call, WhatsApp, video session, everything. So if you want my guidance, you can take. Without guidance, you are going to pay 1 or 2 lakh per year extra to VIT. Mark my word very clearly. Here many students is commenting, I haven't got any seats. So once you go to second phase, all the seat of category 1, 2, 3 will be converted to category 4, 5. This is the rule of VIT. They will not tell anyone. So you also know all those students who got the seat now, everyone is not going to pay the fee because many of them have got 99 percentile, 98 percentile or better result in Comet K or VIT, Comet K or Manipal. So they are not going to pay VIT. So what will happen with the category 1, 2 seat that they have got now? All those vacant seats will be converted directly to the category 4 and 5 in phase 2 counseling. अरे तो क्या बोलूँ मैं अनुभव, मेरे को तुमसे ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा है कि भाई तुम 2 लाख ज़्यादा, मतलब 3 लाख पे करने के लिए रेडी हो पर ईयर, मतलब 3 लाख समझते हो, 4 साल 12 लाख, हॉस्टल को लेके लगभग 18-20 लाख लग जाएंगे। तो समझ रहे हो, उतना देने के लिए तैयार हो। 2,000 नहीं होता, मेरे से मत लेता, किसी और से लेता। तुम खुद से किए हो, हम बुरा कहाँ तुमको बोल रहे हैं कुछ। डिप्रेस्ड हो तो 7,000 रैंक ला के तुम बर्बाद कर लियो, अपना गलती से किए हो ना। हाँ, एटलीस्ट 500 दे के भी अगर डाउट सेशन लेके पूछ लिया होता पहले मेरे से, तो अब ये दिन नहीं देखना पड़ता तुमको। मिस्टेक कर दिए हो तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम। अब फेज 2 करना है, उसमें भी मिस्टेक ना हो। अगर ज्वाइन करना है तुमको वीआईटी, गाइडेंस लो मेरा या किसी और का, बट लो जो सही से गाइड करते हो। 83.6% क्या लिख रहा है भाई रियान जायसवाल? यासु वेरी गुड ब्रो, वेरी गुड। All those students who got the seat now, you have to pay the fee before 14 to get the seat done. Before 14, on or before 14. If you miss, again you will do the for feature of your seat, means you आपका सीट चला जाएगा। 100% अनुभव खा रहे, ज्वाइन करो, गाइडेंस मिल जाएगा। 1 to 1 पहले तो तुमको सारा समझाएंगे, रूल एंड रेगुलेशन, ताकि सब समझ आ जाए तुमको, तो पता चलेगा क्यों मिस्टेक हुआ और कैसे क्या करना चाहिए। ब्रोकन इंसान सेम थोड़ी ना पूछेंगे, वीडियो देख लो जाके, हम तो बताएं कौन सा चैप्टर से। रियान जायसवाल इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स नहीं बता पाएंगे अभी, उसके लिए अलग से वीडियो आएगा। Everyone kindly make the payment of your seat that you got in first phase of counseling by 14th, and that is advance fee, and final fee you need to pay up to the last, that is up to the last means up to 28th of May। ये देखो वीआईटी का फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है वो दिख जाएगा आपको वेबसाइट पे, तो वो देंगे नहीं आपको, सीट के साथ दिए होंगे कितना पे करना है, हाउ मच यू नीड टू पे, you have got with the allotment itself, but here I will show you the advance fee, how much you need to pay for group A branch, group B branch, you can check on the screen. Hope you are getting the clear view. Also I will discuss about refund policy. बिल्कुल 2 में दिला देंगे, इट्स मिस्टर परनब, 100% 2 में मिल जाएगा तुमको, गाइडेंस ले लो, हो जाएगा काम। It's me Sudeep. Yes, it is what depends what other option you have. So join my doubt session at 499 and get the solution done. Yes, so I got your message, bro. Why you are typing same thing again? 68 मार्क्स एमईटी बिल्कुल सब मिलेगा, डिपेंड करता है आपका बोर्ड स्कोर क्या है। मिल जाएगा स्टोन पाथ। Obviously, I already told category 3 you will get at this rank, Saurabh Jain. पंकज जैन सर 11 के रैंक में कैटेगरी 3 वीआईटी, क्या बोल रहे हैं? खुद समझ आता है आपको क्या लिख रहे हो? कैटेगरी 3 वीएल और सीएससी मिला या नहीं वो देखो ना। पंकज जैन जी आपका तो आ गया है रिजल्ट। अरे कितना आएगा, फेल हो जाएगी क्या आयुषी? कमी आएगा कुछ बताओ क्लियर। सर साइबर सिक्योरिटी मिला कैटेगरी 2 में, चेन्नई कैंपस कैसा है? गुड है, डिपेंड करता है। अभी देखो बहुत सारे लोग पूछें कैसा है, हो सकता है तुमको मिल रहा हो मणिपाल मेन कैंपस, हो सकता है तुमको कॉमेड के में टॉप कॉलेज मिल रहा हो सकता है अमृता का मेन कैंपस मिल रहा हो, तो वो सबसे तो अच्छा नहीं हो सकता, या अच्छा है या नहीं है वो तो डिपेंड करे तुम्हारा पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट क्या है, 4 साल क्या देखना चाहते हो, हायर स्टडीज़, एंटरप्रेनरशिप, जॉब, वो पर्सनल गाइडेंस से ही पॉसिबल है, यहाँ तो नहीं हो सकता ना ये कॉलेज चुनो या वो कॉलेज। कोई दूसरा यूट्यूबर रहेगा वो बोल देगा, क्योंकि उसको सब्सक्राइब करवाने से मतलब है, वो बोल देगा आपको हाँ ये कॉलेज चले जाओ, लेकिन आपका करियर ख़राब हो जाएगा ना, इतना ज़्यादा पैसा दे रहे हो। Last few minutes left. After that I will leave this stream as many students are coming for guidance. So I have to talk with them also. Whole night today I will be discussing with the student. Sakshi, VIT, EC, AP category 2. Yes, possible. Do counseling carefully. All those students who are in phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, be very, very careful. In phase 1, already lots of students have done the mistake. Like Anubhav and Lakshya, lots of people have done the mistake and they haven't got the allotment. So, and many students have got the wrong allotment. So, accordingly, you have to do better counseling. If you are ready to pay 10 lakh, 20 lakh, then be very sure about the process. Otherwise, if you don't know, take the guidance. That will cost only 1000, 2000, 3000 hardly. Sandy on time, I think. अनुभव खा रहे भाई, 1500 दे के पूछ लोगे तो क्या घट जाएगा तुम्हारे पास? अनुभव, उसकी तरफ जाओ या नहीं जाओ, कैसे हम पता करें कौन सा ब्रांच तुमको लेना है, कौन सा कैंपस देख रहे हो? अरे ये डिटेल डिस्कशन करना होता है, नहीं समझ सकते हो, छोड़ो. Human not sir, VLS rank VIT Bhopal. Yes, 100%. With my guidance, you will get it. Soria Jain, 42 के VIT भोपाल CSC कैटेगरी 1 मिल जाएगी. यस. आयुषी पागल है क्या? एक साथ पूछो ना, बोर्ड और एमईटी दोनों मार्क्स बता के, थोड़ी ना याद रहेगा मेरे को पहले का. नॉट पॉसिबल आदि. दानिश मिल जाए कैटेगरी 3. काउंसलिंग ठीक से करना. स्टडी विथ लस्सी. नो, ही विल नॉट गेट. स्टडी विथ लस्सी. सैयद मोहम्मद. सरी CSC चेन्नई कैंपस. गुड. Depends what other option you have. If you compare with more better seat, then you will say that this is not good. Otherwise, if you are not getting anything better, this is good for you. मिल जाएगा. आईओसी जयपुर में जाओगे तो CS स्पेशलाइजेशन मिल जाएगा. बेंगलोर में EC मेन कैंपस में मैकेनिकल, सिविल, मैकेट्रॉनिक्स, ये सब. काउंसलिंग ठीक से करना होगा. Around 2-3 thousand Sorias and you will get the course purchased. आयुष सिंह student have just purchased the course. Thanks. I will solve your all doubts soon after this live stream. Let me take the registration of the student. Many students have paid me. You can check here the detail of the doubt session. If you want, you can ask about each and every college counseling across India. Thereafter, you can decide which counseling to take up to admission or which college you should join. You can decide. So if you want, you can join 499. Only the charge is for limited offer, but there is no limit of doubt, no limit of time. You can ask as many questions as you want. Here you can check Ayush Singh. I'm just down purchase my course. Once you purchase, you will get the receipt also at the same time. Here you can check the receipt. So if you want, you can take. Otherwise, it's your choice. Okay. यस सु मेरा वीडियो देख लो पहले जाके वीआईटी प्लेलिस्ट में बना है रिफंड पॉलिसी पे। ओके, डाउट सेशन में सब कुछ पूछ सकता है। अनुभव खारे। सारा मिल जाएगा बहुत। जो भी लोग फेज़ 2 फेज़ 3 फेज़ 4 या फेज़ 5 में हैं, उनके लिए एक एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि आप लोग पेमेंट करने को रेडी हो कॉलेज को इतना ज़्यादा 2 लाख 3 लाख 4 लाख। सो इफ़ यू आर रेडी टू पे दिस मच हाई अमाउंट टू कॉलेज, you should take the guidance not from me. If you think other person are better, you can take from them also, but that is advisable. It is my responsibility to advise you for the best, because you all are ready to pay 15 lakh 20 lakh. So it is advisable to spend 1000 2000 or even 500 for the guidance, but with better person. Otherwise you will get the wrong advice and your rank will be wasted. So if you want to join my guidance, check the description and contact me. Ayush Kaushik, within 1 week you can expect. Whenever it will, I will update you. Rajkumar ji, waiting. You have done mistake in counseling, Rajkumar. Category 2 should be provided. If you want to take my guidance, you can just text me on WhatsApp. In the description available, description contact detail are available, but only if you want the paid guidance. सुब्रनील चौधरी, हो भी गया काउंसलिंग तो आप क्या पूछ रहे हो 17,000 का। Okay, let me in this live session. Now I have to guide the student who are registered with my guidance. Thank you. Here you can check the information regarding the AEEE. AEEE phase 2 marks versus rank versus percentile and cutoff. You can check here. Soon video will be also uploaded. Cutoff percentile also for slab 1 to slab 4. Okay, now let me end this live stream.